I'm on my way. Nine years ago on a Saturday night, I lay in my friend's room sleepless, looking up at the ceiling. My friend was a biker who spoke with such passion that I lay wondering if I would ever have that kind of passion in my life. For till then, an 18-year-old me had none. With every passing week, his passion grew stronger, and with every passing week, so did my hunger to find my passion. I spent the next 5 years covering a bit of South India with every small ride, and in December of 2017, I set out on my first long tour of 4 months and 18,000 kilometers across 20 states of India. The ride gave me a broken collarbone, 1,000 new friends, 1,000,000 memories, and made me realize the purpose of the beat of my heart, to travel. Hi, I'm Manju aka MentlManja. Follow me as I embark on my next long journey to conquer the Himalayas of India, Nepal and Bhutan for 4 months. So this is how my bike looks right now. Well, when it came here, obviously it was completely functioning, but since the head has to be worked on, the entire engine had to be removed from the bike. And one thing I'm really happy about is I got to do all of that today. Really, I got to dismantle the entire bike, and I really have Thompson to thank for giving me this experience. Because I'm sure this will help me a lot in case something goes wrong on the ride, if I'm in Nepal, Bhutan or Northeast, or in the places where I'm not going to find professional help. See, that's the engine block. Here you have your piston cylinder, and this is the part that's being replaced. So that's the head of the engine, and you have the clutch cover as well, and you have the head gasket. I am so happy right now that the bike work is completely done. 2 days before I head out. Well, last time it was the previous night that I picked up the bike and went home and rushed and packed. But well, the bike is so much more smoother because the 25% of the engine, the head part, is absolutely new. And Thompson's done an amazing job with the bike this time. And I'm really waiting to begin my ride. It's only 2 days left. So this is D-2 of my ride, and I am at the Ganapati temple at Bharat Electronics Limited BEL campus, and this temple is very special to me because my dad, who's walking behind me, he used to take us to this temple when we were like just tiny kids, man. I think I was 5 or 6 years old when I started coming over here, and for the past 2 decades this temple and the God over here has protected us, and like me and my family. And beginning my ride from this place with Lord Ganapati, who is the remote obstacles, just is making me feel a lot better about the entire thing. I really feel amazing to be this place. There are so many memories just gushing back into my head, like how I was running around these temple premises.
Love is love. Love is love. Yo.
So this will help you control the bike.
Yeah, right, okay.
Okay.
Go
Go with
with the engine.
the.
ಬನ್ನಿ 1ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Okay.
ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚಲ್ಲಿ 2ಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Okay.
ಆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay.
And then gradual throttle.
Okay.
Boom ಬೇಡ.
Okay. Right. Okay.
And I have only about 12 hours left to get on the flight to fly out to Leh. And I'm here at a tribal adventure cafe where I'd come in the morning to receive off-road training so that I could handle the snow, the slush, and all the other terrible, tough terrains the Himalayas has to offer. So I have the owner over there. That's Mr. Sanjay. Alright, who himself is a multiple championships champion, and that's the coach for the day, Mr. Deepak, who helped me along and who really pushed me to get better at off-roading today. This is going to be a ride of a lifetime. So here it is. It's finally D-Day, October 20th, and in just a couple of hours, I'll be on a flight on the way to Leh, the first destination of Overlanding in the Himalayas. And I have all of my closest friends over here, my battalion bikers, my boys, and shit, man, just being around with these guys brings the energy up. Really excited for these next 4.5 months that are about to unravel now. So here I am at Bangalore International Airport, just an hour and a half away from my flight to Leh. See, it's because of this group, because of battalion bikers, that I am whatever I am today, man. Yeah, these guys are always going to be my most special, the most specialist group of friends in my life. And that, everyone, is the view from my hotel room in Leh. And it is here in Leh that the first that the overlanding in the Himalayas begins. This 4-month-long journey begins over here today. The moment I got into the flight to Leh from Delhi, and just when you're about to descend into Leh, and I saw these Himalayan ranges, from such a far distance, and so many snow-capped mountains, that just got me so excited. And I reached here in a very high state, and I've rested for about 3 hours now, which I really feel is pretty good. Considering the state I was, I really feel pretty good. But it is cold right now. It's about 5 degrees or lesser, and I have 3 layers of clothing on me already, and I have 2 layers of pants too. Look at the beauty of this place. Shit, I am amazed. Behind me, up there, that's Shanti Stupa. I don't want to get there right now because I'm really fucking hungry. But fuck, man, this is really amazing. So this here is Leh Market.
It's pretty empty because it's off season and it's winter, and 70% of the stores are closed. Maybe a bit less over here, but yeah, it is really empty. And one of the most heartwarming things happened just a while ago when I was in that taxi right behind me. So I was speaking to one of the owners and he asked me where I'm from. I tell him from Karnataka, and he starts speaking in Kannada, and he's a localite. And then he gets to meet all these people who are locals over here who all speak Kannada. That was such a great experience. I've always traveled around and I don't know what it is. I always find people speaking my home language.
Okay. Spangmik village.
Spangmik village.
Yeah, Spangmik village.
This is Rajendra sir, who I met last year in Delhi because of on my long way around. And when I just started planning this, he told me that he would be in Leh at the same time, and he's out tomorrow.
Yeah.
Obviously we had to meet. And this is his very beautiful wife, Ninder Koji, who's with us. We had dinner for a while, and we spent a couple of hours at least talking about Leh and all the traveling places around here.
Yeah.
They're really of great help. And this is really what traveling is, right? We met only once last year. We were in touch over the phone, I think, for nearly 2 years now. Yeah, but only this is the second time that we met till now. But yeah, such memories, such meetings always last an entire lifetime. Yeah.
And I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Yeah.
I think you will have a wonderful time.
Thank you so much for that. Yeah. So this is day 2 of my time in Leh and day 2 of overlanding in the Himalayas. And today I'm going to be picking up a Royal Enfield to be riding around. And tomorrow I'm going to be off to Kargil. But today, let's get back to today. But today it's all about the places here in Leh. So in front of me there is the Shanti Stupa in Leh. It's about 5 kilometers from the airport, and right behind my homestay, which is somewhere down there. First when I saw the Shanti Stupa, I was coming down that road, you see, I feared that I'd have to climb all these stairs up here. I don't know if there are like 1,000 or 1,000,000 stairs over there. Catching my breath has been a pretty difficult a task to achieve. Even climbing the few 10 or 20 or 30 stairs to come here from the road which leads up to Shanti Stupa was pretty difficult for me. It is just the second day, so it'll definitely take some time. But the view from here is absolutely mesmerizing. You can see behind me, you see that's the whole city of Leh. And right behind me you have the Himalayas, then the Shanti Stupa, and more Himalayas, and it's Himalayas all around. This is one of the best places to catch an amazing view of the city of Leh. Tomorrow my ride begins. I have my motorcycle with me. I have a Royal Enfield 500cc. So let's see, man, because we have to be somewhere over there. So Khardungla is somewhere in that. Khardungla is somewhere in that range, and I have to be there on the 24th. Just hope I get the permits and there's not too much snow, and that I'm able to ride over there safely on a Royal Enfield which I've never ridden before. It's snowing! Look at that, it's fucking snowing! This is day 3 or day 4 of day 6 of my ride. At the top we were talking about